One very important thing in business is knowing your competition. When you find new products, you want to make sure you know your competition and how many of those products they have for sale. So today I'm going to show you how to figure out the quantity of a product other sellers have. Here are two ways to check Amazon sellers' available quantity. The first way is by using the Keepa extension. Once you add this extension to your favorite browser, Keepa shows you how much stock each seller has on that listing. The second way is free. Go to the Amazon buyer's website and find the product that you want to start selling. Add the product to your cart for each seller. Put $9.99 for the quantity. You're going to see a message on the top with the maximum quantity that the seller has. This way is more time consuming than Keepa, but it still works. Subscribe and like this video if you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, and comment below your questions related to selling on Amazon so I can help you.